motion detection. And my goal and like what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a program where I can control it with hand gestures. So
just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
So we started out with version 1. Version 1 just detects motion and all of that stuff. The algorithms and like the background stuff for that is a little buggy still. So I'm still working on that, but this is what it looks like if we run it. As you can see, what we were left with wasn't the best. So there's a little bit going on with the thresholding and the contours and all of that stuff. And because there's a lot going on in the background here as well. However, we need to work on that. So I started working on version 2. Now, version 2, I was also reading another blog post about like the sign language and doing it for that and like volume controls or sign language mainly, and like getting the hand and hand gestures. And it was working out. The first time I ran it, it actually properly worked, and then after that, everything went wrong. As in, it's bugs all over the place and doesn't even want to run. So version 2 doesn't work. Now, what I'm thinking for version 3 is combining all of this stuff. And so taking this one and then getting it so that it can detect the hand, and then from there getting the contours of the hand and the fingers, because as you saw, it actually did a pretty good job of showing the hand. Now, this is going to take some more time, reworking the contours, all of that stuff. So for this one's 87 lines of code. I scrapped the entire thing and then I tried it again for version 2. So I rewrote everything with different ways of doing it, and it crashes every time. But when it was working, it did all right. It didn't really do as good as I was hoping. It was the same problems going on with this one. So now we are going to continue learning more. I have this, which is basically a person's paper on how they did it and what they had to do for it, kind of thing, with general steps in it as well. So I'm going to be using that as well as doing some more studying. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. And now time for me to go study some more. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. This one is just like, I don't know, a quick video and just sort of going into what I am doing right now before the summer gets started, and I will be working out at a summer camp. So I mean, yeah, cool. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddos.
All of my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it.